Good morning everyone. In today's class of marketing, I am going to start session 2 in unit 1. The name of session 2 is scope and importance of marketing. So here we can see two topics are there in session 2, scope and importance. So first of all we will discuss scope. So here it is written, gone are the days when marketing was confined only to goods and services. Means now goods and services are not only sold and purchased in marketing. Okay, now the scope of marketing has increased. Scope means area, or in Hindi we can say daira. Marketing scope now has increased, and one can also market people, ideas, experience, event, places, property, organization and information, and not just confined to goods and services. So let's discuss scope in detail. In other words, anything that is of value to others can be marketed. So just understand, scope of marketing is not limited to product and services. It is now increased in many things. So in other words, anything that is of value to others can be marketed. So the scope of marketing are explained as under. So first of all, write down the or learn the points. First, goods, services, experiences. Goods, services, experiences. 3.4 people. 0.5 places. 0.6 organization. 0.7 property. 0.8 events. 0.9 information. 0.10 ideas. So here we can see 10 points are given in scope. Just remember, try to learn and remember the names of all 10. So scope of marketing is having 10 points. So first is goods or products are same thing. We have understand about this in unit 1 session 1. So it is written, a tangible item which is can be an article, commodity, material, merchandise, supply, anything. Okay, produced from agriculture, construction, manufacturing or mining activity, that's good. Goods means only tangible things. Services means intangible. Tangible means the things which we can see, we can touch, we can feel. For example, any product like phone, mobile phone, smartphones, TV, fridge, cooler, AC, anything we see near about us, that's goods. Services can be the products that have intangible properties. Intangible means we can't see, we can't touch, we can't feel. These 2 points we have learnt in chapter 1 or session 1. Example are such as banking, consultancy, education, insurance means LIC, accounting, expertise, medical treatment or transportation. So these we know about that. Goods are tangible, services are intangible. Next, we can market experience. Marketers can create stage and market experience to customer. For example, water park, theme park provide experience marketing. Okay, so these are experiences. Next, people marketing can help people to market themselves. Okay, let's understand how. Politicians are the most suitable and common example of people marketing. Politicians market themselves to customer by asking for votes. So that's about people marketing. Okay. By promising them certain bundle of benefits, as cricketer, film star, author, painter, musician, sports person market themselves. Some of the well-known personalities are Amitabh Bachchan, Sachin Tendulkar, Salman Khan, etc. We can also see the pictures: Sachin Tendulkar, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh, Shilpa Shetty. So these are the people who are marketing themselves. Next, places. Cities, state and nations can be marketed to the consumers. Place marketers include real estate developer, commercial banks, business, etc. One can't forget the Incredible India campaign by Indian government to market India as tourist spot. In India, Bangalore is known as Silicon Valley of India. Kerala is known as God's own country. MP or Madhya Pradesh is known as Heart of Incredible India. A campaign by Amitabh Bachchan for Khushbu Gujarati. You can also see pictures here. Kerala, God's own country. Madhya Pradesh, the heart of incredible India, Amitabh Bachchan with the picture with the slogan Khushbu Gujarati. So places can also be marketed. Next, organizations. Organizations market themselves to create and boost their image in customers' mind. They try to create a unique and favorable image in the eyes of customers that can give organizations an edge over others in the marketplace. So, for example, Tata Group, comprising of multiple brands. Okay. Similarly, multiple brands stands for trust and quality globally. Philips promises its customer products which are technologically advanced and hassle-free. So its marketing campaigning is based on sense and simplicity platform. So organizations also market themselves. For example, Tata. We can also see Tata products here. Next, property. Properties, whether tangible like real estate or intangible like stocks, can be marketed to customers. So property can also be marketed. Properties are bought and sold, and exchange process seeks the role of marketing. Real estate developers, DLF, Unitech, Supertech, develop property and seek buyers for the same. Same is the category with any investment company that wishes to sell its security to individuals as well as institutions. We can see the diagram. SBI, okay, a partner for life. It has a slogan. DLF, Building India. Next, events can also be marketed. Marketers promote different events from time to time their customer. These events can be for individuals or organizations. Sports events like Commonwealth Games, Cricket World Cup series, musical concert, award and fashion shows, etc. are events that can be marketed. So events can also be marketed. For example, IPL, Delhi 2010, concerts, ICC World 2020. These are the diagrams. Information can also be marketed. Information is basically produced and marketed and distributed by universities, schools, colleges, newspaper, magazines, books, etc. to customers at a price. The customers here might be parents, students and communities. For example, Business World, BW, how to market a book, Business Standard newspaper. So information can also be marketed. Now the last point in scope is ideas. Different ideas can also be marketed. Every marketer offers some idea. Some offer it for money, others do it for society in general. Marketers make profit from society and shall also give back to society. Social marketing comprises of creating awareness on few ideas like family planning, AIDS awareness, discouraging smoking, child labor, domestic violence, wearing of helmet while driving, blood and eye donation, etc. Let's see the diagrams. Stop child labor, don't be silent, say no to domestic violence, plan your family. So these are the ideas to be marketed. So marketing is not about selling goods and services. It is all about selling idea, information, property, organizations, okay, places and many more. So here are 10 points in scope. These are goods, services, experience, people, place, organization, property, events, information and ideas. So today I have discussed scope of marketing in session 2. It's an important topic, just learn it. Thank you for listening. Next topic I will discuss in another video.